Ito po yung aming warehouse sa trabaho. Puno ng tela. Ayan. So, ito yung sunod sa pintuan ay yung cutting area. So, yan yung bukas ng warehouse. Ito naman yung cutting area. So, walang gumagawa kasi annual physical exam po namin ngayon. Ayan.
I'm just waiting for all the girls to come down. Boy,
So, ito din yung aming production area. Ayan. That's it. Ito yung aming CR. CR namin sa work. That's it.